If tiling around corners has scared you away from replacing your vinyl flooring with ceramic tile, then here's a quick tip for marking your tiles for cutting the way the professionals do. Now first you want to take the tile that needs to be marked and place it over a full-size tile that's closest to the corner. Now make sure that you have the edges lined up exactly with the tile below it. Then take a third tile and put it over both of those, then push it up against the wall on the corner. Now take a felt tip pen or a pencil and place a mark from the corner out on the middle tile. Now this will be the mark that you use to cut your tile. Now you want to do the same thing on the opposite side of the corner, but when you move your tile, be sure that you don't rotate it. And again, line your edges up exactly with the one below it, put your third piece on, slide it up against the wall, and make your mark from the center out. Now this will be the area that you need to cut out. Now after you've cut your tile, you'll find that it just works perfectly around the corner. And when you use this marking technique, you won't make near as many measuring mistakes, and your tile flooring will look just as if a professional did it.